based on that, mainly filling that one part, no, quantum mission and all. So now we are heading towards aerospace department. So these people are working on aerodynamics. How
like related to rockets?
Yes, related to aeroplanes, to drones.
So this is aerospace department, like all the buildings related to spacecrafts, aeroplanes, aerodynamics, all the study related to that is done here.
It's all related to the, like, there are many collaborations of aerospace engineering they are doing with ISRO, DRDO. They are like
all the space missions and all.
This one is one of the.
Here also there is a dummy of Tejas somewhere around.
Some students would have studied sometimes in this department, going on hand with these. I feel very blessed. Like the students of IIT Delhi, IIT Roorkee, I see that they feel very exhausted. Even IIT Jodhpur students, they are very frustrated, like so hot there to work. So in PhD life, we need some peace, at least in our lives, to think, to do a good research. So this environment.
That's the reason, guys, that you see the papers in top journals coming from IISc. This is the one of the reasons.
Also, IISc is it's the India's #1 research institute. There is a canteen also here, which is called Vayu Vihar Canteen. This is aerospace canteen. So mostly students of these departments, no, physics department, chemistry. These department students, like we have our, you saw, no, in our department there was a canteen. So like these three.
The rooftop canteen, that was nice.
So there is also Vayu Vihar canteen. I think Vayu Vihar is the translation of aerospace.
Okay, Vayu and Vihar.
Vayu Vihar canteen.
Yeah, that's the one. The windows are.
You can see, no, we can go there. You want to go? You can see the arcade. You see, no, the glasses are arranged or aligned in a very good.
Like it's like looking like a diamond piece.
So I think sometimes that how building these engineers.
So there are some trees which are covering this up, but it looks so amazing from near. Yeah, I think it is visible from here now.
Is it?
Yes.
You can also see from here. See how the glasses have holded the old building.
From inside it would be looking amazing. Like, yeah, you were telling about some stories.
So there is an aerospace department. So few years back, around I think 5-6 years back. So one student. So there was a student working there, and there happened some cylinder leakage issue, and the cylinder busted in that lab, and all other students and all the staff came out, but one student got stuck there in that lab. So
in that accident.
In that lab, so due to that blast, there was that major accident happened that day. So yeah, these experiments can take a.
We have to take precautions.
So at that time, the safety was not so much considered, I think. But now it's very much considered. So IISc have its also safety one department, we can say. So they usually come twice in a month.
Regular checks.
For the regular checks. This is our electrical measurement setup. gas, nitrogen gas. So these all are the gas-like pipes. So the
Oh, nice,
cylinders
nice.
are coming from these gases, and some students do make gas sensors here. So in this, the gas passes, and then they do the electrical measurement. The electrical measurement, like they want to detect a specific gas. So this all setup is for gas. So this is called the gas measurement setup, or you can see the gas sensing lab.
So these are the cylinders from where the gas is coming.
These are the actual, because cylinders are very dangerous now. So
Hmm.
you can't just store as here also they are changed actually. So the security teams also, safety teams always comes and they just check for this chaining and all. But there are a lot of cylinders downstairs we have kept. Okay. Okay, अंदर चलते हैं. So this is now the clean room. You can just see the clean room environment.
So this is protected from every dust particles.
So this is the sense you say is like in the steam medium. We have got a sense of there is an application basic. And I'm just sometimes why does this not? So now this is not. We're making medium. If you want to Hi guys, so we work here. This is our clean room. So we work here for almost 6 hours a day, sometimes 12 hours a day. Continuous, we have to sit here only. So this is one of the microscope you can see. In this we make our samples. So we make some materials and just the stacks of materials from this microscope. Here there is some, we have customized probe measurement. So these are probes and we do the electrical measurement here. And this is the brand, very fascinating microscope, and it's very expensive also. So this is a confocal microscope. So it has the very good capacity to focus. These are the two lasers. If you know about Raman or photoluminescence or something related to spectroscopy, this is spectroscope. So we do here the spectroscopy measurement, and the whole it is wholly automated. So this whole automation is done by this software. This is the CPU. This whole is the controlling unit, and this is the software that controllable display unit. So yeah, we have this setup. This is one of the lab. So this lab is majorly for this confocal micro. So ma'am made this clean room because of this confocal. It is very expensive, as I said before, and we need to maintain very cleanliness while the measurements, and also for the cleanness of this instrument. So my professor is Professor Abha Mishra. She is a very renowned personality in ISC. She is a very good researcher, scientist. She is doing a great job in his field, and we have got a good opportunity to work with her. So we are trying to do